Welcome to this video on Aries Moon Sign, also known as Mesha Rashi in Vedic astrology. People with the moon in Aries are known for their fiery, energetic, and ambitious nature. Ruled by Mars, the planet of action and courage, Aries moon individuals are natural leaders who thrive in challenging situations. One defining trait of Aries moon individuals is their adventurous spirit. They are always ready to explore new opportunities and take risks. Their courage and enthusiasm inspire others, but their impulsive nature can sometimes lead to hasty decisions. Aries moon people are incredibly driven. They set high goals for themselves and work tirelessly to achieve them. However, their desire for quick results can make them impatient and prone to frustration if things don't go their way. In relationships, Aries moon individuals are passionate and expressive. They love deeply and are protective of their loved ones. However, they can be quick-tempered and need partners who understand their dynamic personality and give them space to grow. Family life for Aries moon natives is often full of activity. They may take on leadership roles within the family and are seen as protectors. Their mothers, in particular, play an influential role in shaping their values and personality. Physically, Aries moon individuals often have sharp features and an athletic build. Their energetic and confident demeanor is hard to miss, making them stand out in any crowd. In challenging times, Aries moon people draw on their innate resilience and determination. They rarely back down from a fight and are always ready to tackle obstacles head-on. Their life motto can be summed up as, "Keep moving forward." In summary, Aries moon individuals are energetic, ambitious, and courageous leaders. Their adventurous spirit and passion for life make them truly inspiring. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.